A shocking incident that has come to light from Jhansi, where an SUV ran over a man twice, and the entire incident has also been caught on CCTV. An FIR has been lodged in this regard, and the police officials have now seized the SUV. The manhunt for the driver is still on, but these are the shocking, very, very disturbing visuals that you're seeing on the screens. The incident is from Jhansi, where an SUV ran over a man not once but twice. My colleague Adeep is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Adeep, what do we know at this point? A manhunt is on to find the accused in the case. Was it an accident? Was it done deliberately? Any details coming in?
Well, Pratibha, it's a shocking incident. We all saw in the CCTV footage how the man was rammed not only just once but twice. First, the SUV was turning back. Where it was that point when this man was crushed beneath the SUV and he was groaning in pain. And after that, the SUV driver again started driving his SUV and again rammed him in front of on the front wheels. At that time, the people intercepted him. People started those who were present at the spot started shouting, and then he moved his SUV and the man was taken to the hospital. The injured is of around 70 years old. His name is Rajendra Prasad and he's currently admitted in a private hospital in Jhansi. He has received multiple fractures in his upper body, on his shoulders and on his hands. Police has lodged the FIR, although the family members are not convinced with the FIR. They are demanding that the IPC 307, which is of the attempt to murder, that particular section should be added in the FIR, and police should take action, should act fast on this case. Remember, the incident is of May 17, but the FIR was only lodged after CCTV of the incident went viral on social media, after which police has taken action. The SUV has also been seized by the police, and now the manhunt is on for the driver and the owner of the vehicle.
Okay, all right. Chilling visuals that have come to light. It's a 70-year-old, the SUV ramming him twice. In fact, the son of the man who is injured, he has sustained grievous injuries, also spoke about the accident. Listen in.
क्या घटना ये 17 तारीख में करीब 6 बजे एक ड्राइवर ने मतलब एक गाड़ी वाले ने पापा ठेलने जा रहे थे तो उस पीछे से गाड़ी चढ़ा दी है, और एक दो बार नहीं 3-4 बार उनके ऊपर गाड़ी चढ़ाई है। और ये घटना सीधी मर्डर की घटना है। आदमी को जान से मारने की पूरा प्रयास करा है गाड़ी वाले ने। तो कितनी चोटें आई? पापा को मतलब जो अपना चेस्ट पे 14 फ्रैक्चर है, हाथ पैर सिर मतलब पूरे बदन में उनको चोटें आई है पापा को। क्या करते हैं वो लोग? वो भी व्यापारी लोग हैं। अब हम एक्चुअली क्या है, हम लोग इंडियन ऑयल के डीलर हैं, हमारे पास केस की एजेंसी है। 50-100 लोगों से रोज का मिलना उतना रहता है। जिसको सिलेंडर प्रोवाइड हो गए वो तो ठीक है, जिसका नहीं होता है पता नहीं।
So investigation into the case still ongoing. We're keeping a track of that. Quick break now. We'll be right back. Stay with us.